गाइस आज हम प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हैं टेंसेस की। आपको पता है कि टेंसेस 3 प्रकार के होते हैं, प्रेजेंट, पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर। लेकिन अभी तक हमने ये देखा कि हम या तो प्रेजेंट की प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे या पास्ट की या फ्यूचर की। आज के एपिसोड में क्या होने वाला है, आज के एपिसोड में आपको मिलेगा वन सेंटेंस के थ्रू हम कैसे 48 सेंटेंस बनाते हैं, आपको ये देखने को मिलेगा। हमारी क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स आपके सामने 1 बाय 1 करके आएंगे और आपको बहुत मजा आएगा। उनको एक सेंटेंस दिया जाएगा ऑडियंस के द्वारा और वो उस एक सेंटेंस को इस्तेमाल करके 48 सेंटेंस बोलेंगे। गाइस यू नो दैट इट इज नॉट इजी टू यूज वन सेंटेंस फॉर 48 टाइम्स, बट ये करने वाले हैं। इससे आपको एक जनरल आइडिया मिलेगा कि हम कैसे जो है एक सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट लेकर डिफरेंट टाइप्स की हेल्पिंग वर्ब का इस्तेमाल करके हम सेंटेंसेस को बना सकते हैं। इसका बेनिफिट ये होता है कि हमारे दिमाग को टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग हेल्पिंग वर्ब और मेन वर्ब का नॉलेज होता है कि हमें कैसे हेल्पिंग वर्ब के साथ मेन वर्ब लगानी चाहिए। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम हम लोग चाहेंगे कि आप इस वीडियो को पूरा देखें। साथ में अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। वीडियो को लाइक जरूर करना है क्योंकि ये बच्चे आपके लिए बहुत मेहनत करते हैं। और अगर आपने अभी तक हमें इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो नहीं किया है, वहाँ पर हम इंग्लिश के डेली नोट्स डालते हैं। अगर आपको इंग्लिश वोकैबुलरी चाहिए तो आप इंस्टाग्राम पर मास स्टडी का पेज फॉलो करें। वहाँ पर आपको रोज जो है बहुत ही बढ़िया बढ़िया अंग्रेजी के वोकैबुलरी वाले नोट्स मिलेंगे और स्टोरीज मिलेंगे, रील्स मिलेंगे, जिन्हें आप देखकर एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। चलिए आज का क्लास शुरू करते हैं।
Hi, good evening everyone. Good evening. My name is Yamini Pawar. Today's topic is tenses. Let's make 48 sentences. Anyone ask me question?
वह अंग्रेजी पढ़ाती है.
My sentence is वह अंग्रेजी पढ़ाती है. She teaches English. She does not teach English. Does she teach English? Does she not teach English? When does she teach English? When does she not teach English? She is teaching English. She is not teaching English. Is she teaching English? Is she not teaching English? When is she teaching English? When is she not teaching English? She has taught English. She has not taught English. Has she taught English? Has she not taught English? When has she taught English? When has she not taught English? She has been teaching English since morning. She has not been teaching English since morning. Has she been teaching English since morning? Has she not been teaching English since morning? When has she been teaching English since morning? When has she not been teaching English since morning? In past वह अंग्रेजी पढ़ाती थी. She taught English. She did not teach English. Did she teach English? Did she not teach English? When did she teach English? When did she not teach English? वह अंग्रेजी पढ़ा रही थी. She was teaching English. She was not teaching English. Was she teaching English? Was she not teaching English? When was she teaching English? When was she not teaching English? वह अंग्रेजी पढ़ा चुकी थी. She had taught English. She had not taught English. Had she taught English? Had she not taught English? When had she taught English? When had she not taught English? वह सुबह से अंग्रेजी पढ़ा रही थी. She had been teaching English since morning. She had not been teaching English since morning. Had she been teaching English since morning? Had she not been teaching English since morning? When had she been teaching English since morning? When had she not been teaching English since morning? फ्यूचर वह अंग्रेजी पढ़ा रही होगी. शी विल टीच इंग्लिश. शी विल नॉट टीच इंग्लिश. विल शी टीच इंग्लिश? विल शी नॉट टीच इंग्लिश? व्हेन विल शी टीच इंग्लिश? व्हेन विल शी नॉट टीच इंग्लिश? शी विल बी टीचिंग इंग्लिश. शी विल नॉट बी टीचिंग इंग्लिश. विल शी बी टीचिंग इंग्लिश? विल शी नॉट बी टीचिंग इंग्लिश? व्हेन विल शी बी टीचिंग इंग्लिश? व्हेन विल नॉट बी टीचिंग इंग्लिश? शी विल हैव taught English. She will not have taught English. When will she have taught English? Will she not have taught English? When will she have taught English? When will she not have taught English? She will have been teaching English since morning. She will not have been teaching English since morning. Will she have been teaching English since morning? Will she not have been teaching English since morning? When will she have been teaching English since morning? When will she not have been teaching English since morning? Thank you for listening me.
Friends, good evening. How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. First of all, thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. Today's topic how to make 48 sentence. So please ask me question.
हम घर सजाते हैं.
My sentence is हम घर सजाते हैं in present. We decorate the home. We do not decorate the home. Do we decorate the home? Do we not decorate the home? Why do we decorate the home? Why do we not decorate the home? We are decorating the home. We are not decorating the home. Are we decorating the home? Are we not decorating the home? When are we decorating the home? When are we not decorating the home? We have decorated the home. We have not decorated the home. Have we decorated the home? Have we not decorated the home? Why have we decorated the home? Why have we not decorated the home? We have been decorating the home since morning. We have not been decorating the home since morning. Have we been decorating the home since morning? Have we not been decorating the home since morning? In past हम घर सजाते थे. We decorated the home. We did not decorate the home. Did we decorate the home? Did we not decorate the home? Why did we decorate the home? Why did we not decorate the home? We were decorating the home. We were not decorating the home. Were we decorating the home? Were we not decorating the home? When were we decorating the home? When were we not decorating the home? We had decorated the home. home, we had not decorated the home. Had we decorated the home, had we not decorated the home. Why had we decorated the home, why had we not decorated the home. We had been decorating the home for 2 hours. We had not been decorating the home for 2 hours. Had we been decorating the home for 2 hours. Had we not been decorating the home for 2 hours. Why had we been decorating the home for 2 hours. Why had we not been decorating the home for 2 hours. In future हम घर सजाएंगे. We will decorate the home. We will not decorate the home. Will we decorate the home? Will we not decorate the home? Why will we decorate the home? Why will we not decorate the home? We will be decorating the home. We will not be decorating the home. Will we be decorating the home? Will we not be decorating the home? Why will we be decorating the home? Why will we not be decorating the home? We will have decorated the home. We will not have decorated the home. Will we have decorated the home? Will we not have decorated the home? Why will we have decorated the home? Why will we not have decorated the home? We will have been decorating the home since morning. We will not have been decorating the home since morning. Will we have been decorating the home since morning? Will we not have been decorating the home since morning? Why will we have been decorating the home since morning? Why will we not have been decorating the home since morning? Thank you for listening.
Good evening everyone.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also good. My name is Shruti Prajapati. Today topic is how make 40 sentence. Ask me sentence.
वे अच्छी अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं.
वे अच्छी अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं. They speak good English. They do not speak good English. Do they speak good English? Do they not speak good English? They are speaking good English. They are not speaking good English. Are they speaking good English? Are they not speaking good English? They have spoken good English. They have not spoken good English. Have they spoken good English? Have they not spoken good English? They have been speaking good English. They have last month they have not been speaking good English. They have been speaking good English for last month. They have not been speaking good English for last month. Have they speaking good English for last month? Have they not been speaking good English for last month? Past. They spoke good English. They did not speak good English. Do they speak good? Did they speak good English? Did they not speak good English? They had speak good. They were speak good. They were speaking good English. They were not speaking good English. Were they speaking good English? Were they not speaking good English? They had spoken good English. They had not been spoken good English. Had they spoken good English? Had they not spoken good English? They had been speaking good English for last month. They had not been speaking good English for last month. Had they been speaking good English for last month? Had they not been speaking good English for last month? Future. They speak good English. They will speak good English. They will not speak good English. Will they speak good English? Will they not speak good English? They will be speak good English. They will be speaking good English. They will be not speaking good English. Will they be speaking good English? Will they not be speaking good English? They will have spoken good English. They will not have spoken good English. Will they have spoken good English? Will they not have spoken good English? They will have been speaking good English for last month. They will have not been speaking good English for last month. Will they have been speaking good English for last month? Will they not have been speaking good English for last month? Thank you.
Hey everyone, how are you all? I am also good. Today I make 48 sentence. So let's start. What is my sentence? My sentence is मैं कपड़े पहनता हूँ. In present indefinite tense, I wear clothes. I do not wear clothes. Do I wear clothes? Do I not wear clothes? इन प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस मैं कपड़े पहन रहा हूँ। आई एम वेयरिंग क्लोथ्स, आई एम नॉट वेयरिंग क्लोथ्स, एम आई वेयरिंग क्लोथ्स, एम आई नॉट वेयरिंग क्लोथ्स। इन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस मैं कपड़े पहन रहा हूँ, पहन चुका हूँ। आई हैव वॉर्न क्लोथ्स, आई हैव नॉट वॉर्न क्लोथ्स, हैव आई वॉर्न क्लोथ्स, हैव आई नॉट वॉर्न क्लोथ्स। इन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस मैं 1 घंटे से कपड़े पहन रहा हूँ। आई हैव बीन वेयरिंग क्लोथ्स फॉर 1 आवर, आई हैव नॉट बीन वेयरिंग क्लोथ्स फॉर 1 आवर, हैव आई बीन वेयरिंग क्लोथ्स फॉर 1 आवर, हैव आई नॉट बीन वेयरिंग क्लोथ्स फॉर 1 आवर। इन पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस मैंने कपड़े पहने। आई वॉर क्लोथ्स, आई डिड नॉट वियर क्लोथ्स, डिड आई वियर क्लोथ्स, डिड आई नॉट वियर क्लोथ्स। इन पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस मैं कपड़े पहनता हूँ, पहन रहा था। आई वॉज वेयरिंग क्लोथ्स, आई वॉज नॉट वेयरिंग क्लोथ्स, वॉज आई वेयरिंग क्लोथ्स, वॉज आई नॉट वेयरिंग क्लोथ्स। इन पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस मैं कपड़े पहन चुका था। आई हैड बीन वेयरिंग क्लोथ्स, आई हैड worn clothes, I had not worn clothes, had I worn clothes, had I not worn clothes। इन पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस मैं 1 घंटे से कपड़े पहन रहा था। आई हैड बीन वेयरिंग क्लोथ्स फॉर 1 आवर, आई हैड नॉट बीन वेयरिंग क्लोथ्स फॉर 1 आवर, हैड आई बीन वेयरिंग क्लोथ्स फॉर 1 आवर, हैड आई नॉट बीन वेयरिंग क्लोथ्स फॉर 1 आवर। इन फ्यूचर इंडेफिनिट टेंस मैं कपड़े पहनूंगा। आई विल वियर क्लोथ्स, आई विल नॉट वियर क्लोथ्स, विल आई वियर क्लोथ्स, विल आई नॉट वियर क्लोथ्स। इन फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस मैं कपड़े पहन रहा हूँगा। आई विल बी वियरिंग क्लोथ्स, आई विल नॉट बी वियरिंग क्लोथ्स, विल आई बी वियरिंग क्लोथ्स, विल आई नॉट बी वियरिंग क्लोथ्स। इन फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस मैं कपड़े पहन चुका हूँगा। आई विल हैव worn clothes, I will not have worn clothes, will I have worn clothes, will I not have worn clothes। इन फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस मैं घंटे से कपड़े पहनूंगा। आई विल हैव बीन wearing clothes for 1 hour, I have not been wearing clothes for 1 hour, will I have been wearing clothes for 1 hour, will I not have been wearing clothes for 1 hour। Thank you for listening to me।